Take a ride in the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.